Humor me for a moment, and please close your eyes. Now, before opening, picture this. You wake up in an ICU. Go ahead, open your eyes. You're surrounded by beeping machines, unfamiliar faces. You're disoriented, you're scared, and worst of all, you feel completely alone. This is the harsh reality for over 25 million ICU patients annually, many of whom suffer from ICU delirium. Hi, my name is Naftali Schapiro, and I am the project manager at EyeControl. So what is ICU delirium? Give it a click. Okay. Or not?
Either green or red.
It worked. So what is ICU delirium? ICU delirium is a cognitive decline caused by sedation and isolation. Commonly affects the elderly population. But its impact goes far beyond temporary confusion. It prolongs ICU stays, increases mortality rates, and leads to long-term cognitive impairments, such as dementia. For healthcare system, it represents an enormous financial burden, associated with tens of billions of dollars annually in the US alone. Critical care guidelines are clear. ICU delirium can be prevented and managed by providing better communication, frequent reorientation, familiar voices, and calming music. And that's exactly what EyeControl Med is designed to do. So how does it work? Our wearable solution uses bone conduction technology to deliver audio directly to the patient. This means that even in a noisy environment or for patients for patients with hearing impairments, EyeControl Med becomes the patient's constant companion, guiding them through the recovery process. The device provides orientation cues such as where they are, the date, and the time. It streams calming music and recordings from loved ones, offering emotional reassurance. So you just woke up in an ICU. As you just learned, you're disoriented. You don't know what is going on. And you hear your close brother speaking to you in a calm voice, telling you, hey, I know you're very much uncomfortable now, and you're probably scared. But you should know you're doing really good. You're getting better every single day, and you're receiving the best possible care. And we are all right here with you. I love you, dear brother, and I'll see you soon. As you can imagine, a message like that or a moment like that for patients waking up in an ICU gives them a feeling of support and makes them feel less alone. But we don't stop there. EyeControl Med, using AI-powered eye-tracking technology, uniquely engages patients in cognitive assessments using only their eye movements. This gives the patient a tool they can use to express themselves and communicate with the staff even when speech isn't possible. For example, they can indicate their pain level, slight pain, medium pain, or extreme pain, giving them a tool to communicate and express their needs and regain control. The company is advancing along two parallel paths. On the commercial side, EyeControl Med is already CE certified and FDA listed as a communication platform. We are proud to serve as an official supplier to Israel's largest HMO and have recently launched a commercial pilot with the largest hospital chain in New York. Simultaneously, on the clinical side, the company is working to become the first technology with FDA approval for reducing ICU delirium. To support this goal, we are conducting a multi-center clinical trial in the US and in Israel, building on significant results previously demonstrated in Israel, where our platform reduced severe ICU delirium among patients. The business model combines capital equipment sales, recurring revenue from disposable headsets between patients, and a SaaS model for applications and near-bed tablets. These multiple revenue streams are strategically designed to drive sustainable growth and scalability in a market with potential for annual returns in the billions of dollars. Our technology is getting noticed, earning recognition and investments from angels, VC funds, and the European Innovation Council Fund, combined with strategic relationships with programs like the Google AI Fund and the Bird Foundation, as well as collaborations with top hospitals in Israel and the US. We are deeply proud of our contributions to the Israeli market during these challenging times. Throughout the Iron Swords War, EyeControl devices helped reduce distress for IDF soldiers and their families. One story that inspires us is that of Tzvika Lavi, Zichrono Livracha, who passed away from his wounds after fighting in Gaza. In his final weeks, Tzvika used EyeControl to communicate with loved ones. Thanks to Next October initiatives, we formed a strong bond with his wife Talia, who reminds us why our work matters. Zvika's words, when you start a project, see it through to the smallest of details, are embedded in the company's DNA. Let me end with this. ICU delirium isn't just a problem or a challenge for patients. It's a challenge for families, caregivers, and the entire healthcare system. We're not just dreaming of a better future, we're eye-controlling it. Please join us. Thank you very much.